Friday night in New Braunfels, feeling kinda lost, standing at the doorway of this old dance hall cross. My feet are frozen on these floorboards, watching couples spin. Something about their smiles tells me maybe I should step in. Who knew healing came in 3/4 time, with boots and beats and borrowed peace of mind? Every turn around this wooden floor, teaching me what living's really for. Miss Pearl showed me my first steps, patience in her eyes. Said, sugar, we all stumble before we learn to fly. Now my boots are moving steady to this steel guitar, and these strangers' hands are helping heal these hidden scars. Who knew healing came in 3/4 time, with boots and beats and borrowed peace of mind? Every turn around this wooden floor, teaching me what living's really for. Signed the paper 6 months back, thought my world was through. Packed up pictures, split the plates, divided life in two. But moving forward's what we do down here in Texas land. So I traded teardrops for 2 steps and learned to understand that breaking down leads to breaking free, discovering what's true, dancing through the dark times till the light comes shining through. Stepping steady, finding strength in simple things like this, trading yesterday's regrets for tomorrow's gentle kiss. Who knew healing came in 3/4 time, and with boots and beats and borrowed peace of mind? Every turn around this wooden floor, teaching me what living's really for. Teaching me what living's really for. Never danced before, pressed against the wall, boots fresh from the store, standing stiff and tall. You caught my eye across the floor, took my hand and smiled, come on, let's go. 2 left boots, that's all I got. 2 left boots, don't know the spot, but you teaching, patient and kind. 2 left boots, learning in time, learning in time. Quick, quick, slow, slow, step on your toes. Spin the wrong way, that's how it goes. But you don't mind, keep pulling me close. Count with the band, now watch me grow. 2 left boots, that's all I got. 2 left boots, don't know the spot, but you keep teaching, patient and kind. 2 left boots, learning in time, in time. y'all, here's a basic moves. Quick, quick, slow, slow, can't lose. Right foot forward, left foot back. Keep that frame tight, stay on track. Counterclockwise round the floor. One more spin, then hit some more. Follow my lead, you're doing fine. Just keep moving, stay in time. Come on now. Come on now. Every Friday night, you know where to look. Got my rhythm down in this honky-tonk. Not perfect yet, but getting there soon. Two-stepping with you under Texas moon. Two left boots, that's all I got. Two left boots, don't know the spot. But you keep teaching, patient and kind. Two left boots, finally in time. Finally in time. Hey, you better watch this spin. Behind this counter, watching them all come and go. Young love's first uncertain steps, like they're afraid to let it show. Quarter in the jukebox, A2. Her blue dress is borrowed suit. Some found forever on this floor, while others barely took root. These old boards tell it all. Every scrape, every fall. Time keeps spinning round and round, just like they did back in fall. Back in fall, oh, back in fall. Last night's couple caught my eye. Same moves the grand folks knew. His hand trembled just like his daddy's when he first said I do. Through wars and drought and hard times, they always found their way back to this old dance floor, where their hearts learned how to sway. These old boards tell it all. Every scrape, every fall. Time keeps spinning around and round, just like they did back in fall. Back in fall, oh, back in fall. La-da-da, yeah, yeah, yeah. Time floats by, sometimes late when it's just me and these worn out wooden beams. I can almost hear them laughing. All those years, all those scenes. Faces come through that door, same look in their eyes, same butterflies in their stomachs, same stars in Texas skies. And I'll be here tomorrow, counting memories like old friends, while young hearts keep on dancing till the music never ends. These old boards tell it all. Every scrape, every fall. Time keeps spinning round and round, just like they did back in fall. Back in fall, oh, back in fall. Time keeps spinning round and round, just like they did. On the rig since 5 a.m., recent sweat, my second skin. Daddy worked these fields before, now it's my turn just like his. Prices drop like Texas rain, boss man's warning comes again. Bills keep piling on our door, baby, I can't give you more. Got these black gold blues running through my veins, working double shifts through the heat and pain. When the well runs dry, ain't no one to blame, just these black gold blues driving me insane. Daddy says to walk away, find some work that's bound to stay. But oil's all I've ever known, can't leave these fields of home. Remember when we first got married, said I'd give you everything. Now I'm standing here so weary, praying for one more spring. Got these black gold blues running through my veins, working double shifts through the heat and pain. When the well runs dry, ain't no one to blame, just these black gold blues driving me insane. Metal gate creaks as I walk through the night. My boots leave prints in this well-worn ground. The stands are empty, not a soul in sight, just me and memories floating round. I touch the railing where I used to wait, heart pounding hard before each ride. Now Father Time's the bull I can't escape, that old clock won't be denied. These arena lights as bright as they used to be, or maybe it's these eyes that just can't see. What burns the most ain't the falls or the pain, but knowing I won't ride here again. Remember 95, 8 seconds felt so slow, when that black bull nearly took my name. But I held on tight and put on quite a show, left with a buckle and a taste of fame. The young guns now, they move so fast, while my joints crack like summer thunder. Each season slips away into the past, leaving pieces of me way back yonder. They say cowboys don't cry, but tonight I might break that rule, 'cause endings come for every ride, even for this stubborn old fool. The dust still dances in the evening air, like it did when I was 23. My saddle's worn, but I no longer care. That glory days are history. Tomorrow someone else will take my place under these dim and fading lights. But they'll never know how it felt to chase these 8-second rodeo nights. These arena lights right as they used to be. Or maybe it's these eyes that just can't see. What burns the most ain't the falls or the pain, but knowing I won't ride here again. I know I'll ride here again. Years on this rusty rig, back broken, spirit thin. Same old faces, same old drill, same place I've always been. Through the heat and bitter cold, just to make that pay. But this morning feels real different, 'cause I'm walking away. Last check from the company, man, last time I'll hear that diesel hum. Last look at that West Texas sand, 'cause I know my time has come. Been breaking my back too long, working someone else's song. Today's the day I prove them wrong, and I won't look back at dawn. Sweat and grease beneath my nails, oil stains won't wash clean. Every day just like the last, living someone's dream. Boss man says there's money here if I just hang on, but my soul's worth more than dollars, and my mind is good and gone. Last check from the company, man, last time I'll hear that diesel hum. Last look at that West Texas sand, 'cause I know my time has come. Been breaking my back too long, working someone else's song. Today's the day I prove them wrong, and I won't look back at dawn. They say a man's worth what he owns, but freedom's worth much more. Got my truck and my pride, and I'm out that door. And my truck and my pride, and I'm getting out that door. Sun setting on the derrick, casting long black lines. Loading up my tools for good, leaving it behind. Found my strength in letting go of what was killing me. Now I'm driving toward tomorrow, finally breaking free. Last check from the company, man, last time I'll hear that diesel hum. Last look at that West Texas sand, 'cause I know my time has come. Been breaking my back too long, working someone else's song. Today's the day I prove them wrong, and I won't look back at dawn. Same scarred wood, same broken chairs. Tommy's trailer, part tattoos, matches tall tales, mostly true. Billy's boots still stomp these boards, but fewer faces come through these doors. Yeah! Last call at the last dive bar, where pickup trucks meet parking lots of cars. For one more turn up that steel guitar. Last call at the last dive bar. Last call, last call. Silicon Valley types roll in, staring at their phones again. My Parker sold her daddy's land to men with tight suits, tan demands. My regulars keep dwindling down as cranes keep rising round our town. Last call at the last dive bar, where pickup trucks meet parking lots of cars. For one more turn up that steel guitar. Last call at the last dive bar. Last call, last call. Progress marches, can't stand still like dust storms on a West Texas hill. The memories, they burn so bright, and this bar's fading Friday night. Old teeth places beat up bass while new condos fill empty space. Miss Mary's perfume lingers here, mixed with smoke and bottles of beer. Time was different way back then, but time won't pass this way again. Oh, last call at the last dive bar, where pickup trucks meet parking lots of cars. For one more turn up that steel guitar. Last call at the last dive bar. Last call, last call. For me, one more for the road ahead. These bar stools tell what's left unsaid. Time to lock up, kill these lights. The last call, one final night. Miles of Texas dust on my windshield. Check engine light's been on since San Antone. Radios crackling static through the speakers when that old Ford finally gives a groan. Pull off on some county road I can't remember. Not a single passing car or working phone. Just me and crickets singing in December, and a sunset painting rust on chrome. Never thought I'd end up stranded, middle of nowhere, plans disbanded. But sometimes fate's got different roles than the ones we think we know. Broke down and blessed in this Texas mess. Broke down and red lights pierce the dark from around the corner. And the old blue pickup slows down just for me. Behind the wheel your smile hits like summer. Can't believe the angel I can see. You say you own the ranch about a mile over. Been watching brake lights fail all afternoon. Waiting patient like a four-leaf clover for this moment beneath the rising moon. All those hours I was cursing, my luck finally started turning, 'cause breaking down led straight to you. And everything we're about to do broke down and blessed in this Texas mess. Broke down and blessed, not what I never would have guessed. Sometimes the best detours come from broken parts. Dead engines spark new fires in unsuspecting hearts. Now every time I pass that county marker, I slow down where our story first begins, where being broke down never felt so perfect, and that check engine light was just God's plan. They say the Lord works in mysterious ways now. Well, He sure proved it on that lonesome night when my breakdown brought this love around, now making everything turn out just right. Broke down and blessed in this Texas mess. Broke down and blessed, found what I never would have guessed. Broke down and blessed in this town and blessed, found what I never would have guessed. Broke down and blessed, broke down and blessed. I've stood by this old oak door for 15 years or maybe more, watching folks stumble in from the parking lot, some looking lost and some looking high. Every Saturday night's the same, just different faces, different names. Saints and sinners come walking through, looking for something old or something new. Some find love, some find pain, some just dance away their shame. And I see it all from where I stand by this door with my raised hand. There's Miss Julie in her Sunday best, dancing with a roughneck from out west. And Tommy Boy, who lost his bride, now drowns his sorrows deep inside. The band plays on through smoke and sound, while broken hearts go round and round. And then walks trouble right on cue, that same old boy in snakeskin boots. His ex is here with someone new. Lord, I know just what he's gonna do, but not tonight, not on my watch, 'cause that's the job I've got. Saints and sinners come walking through, looking for something old or something new. Some find love, some find pain, some just dance away their shame. And I see it all from where I stand by this door with my raised hand. Some folks ask why I stay so long in this place where hearts break with every song. But every night I see someone's life change in ways that never cease to amaze. Like last week's fighter turned dancing king, who met an angel wearing heaven's wings. Now they're slow dancing, holding tight. Two lost souls found love tonight. And that's why I keep coming back to guard these hearts under attack from all the pain that life can bring. 'Cause sometimes saints need sinners' wings. Saints and sinners come walking through, looking for something old or something new. Some find love, some find pain, some just this door with my raised hand. By this door with my raised hand. By this door with my raised hand. Cues popping in your palms, running that mouth like you own this bar. Strutting round with that smirk, acting like your shit don't stink. Ripping on my home state pride. Better watch what's coming your way. Ain't gonna stand here while you run your damn mouth. One more word about Texas, boy, and we're taking this outside. Bourbon burning in my blood, your Yankee ass don't understand. Messing with the wrong crowd tonight. Bartender shaking his head. Cowboys closing in tight. Your time is ticking away. Ain't gonna stand here while you run your damn mouth. One more word about Texas, boy, and we're taking this outside. Much too late to muffles, hounds getting restless and smell the trouble brew like a rest cat's just full. Boots and belt buckles, crowd's getting restless. Can smell the trouble brewing like a West Texas storm. Tables turning, tempers flaring, bar stools sliding across the floor. Somebody's gonna pay the price for picking the wrong damn fight. In a honky-tonk on Friday night, where pride runs deeper than blood. Ain't gonna stand here while you run your damn mouth. One more word about Texas, boy, and we're taking this outside. Sirens wailing down the road, parting ways with bloody knuckles. Learned your lesson about respect. Next time think before you speak. 'Cause down here in the Lone Star State, we back up every word we say. Ain't gonna stand here while you run your damn mouth. One more word about Texas, boy, and we're taking this outside. Scared at the Stubbs bar door, pair of boots on a pine wood floor, pulling back when the band starts playing, praying no one asked me to dance. Then I saw it moving slow, perfect rhythm down below, like it knew just where to go. Now I understand. That little friend taught me how to dance, showed me steps in sweet romance, rolling round in perfect time, and now I'm moving down the line. That little friend taught me how to dance, found my groove, took my chance. Now I'm floating across the floor like I never did before. Pretty partner caught my eye, saw me stepping side to side. Said my moves were mighty strange, but she liked my style and range. Watch me scoot and watch me roll, Texas two-step hard and soul. Found my rhythm, found my flow. Now I understand. That little friend taught me how to dance, showed me steps in sweet romance, rolling round in perfect time. Now I'm moving down the line. That little friend taught me how to dance, found my groove, took my chance. Now I'm floating across the floor like I never did before. Peculiar part on the porch that night, practicing patterns pure precise. Shell shock, shelter seeking creature became my boot scooting teacher. Moving mighty methodical, magical, and musical. Rolling, rocking, remarkable, absolutely but natural. Partly panic, partly proud, now I'm dancing in the crowd. Texas tradition, translation through nocturnal navigation. Learning lessons, living large, taking charge, my soul in charge. Sometimes the best surprises come from watching life unfold. Sometimes the greatest teachers are the ones you least expect to know. The little friend taught me how to dance, showed me steps in sweet romance, rolling around in perfect time. Now I'm moving down the line. That little friend taught me how to dance, found my groove, took my chance. Now I'm floating across the floor like I never did before. Her trade that sparkly crown for a dusty cowboy hat. The whole town started talking, but she didn't care about that. 8 seconds on a wild bull's back, that's where she wants to be. Ain't no sash or pretty wave gonna set her spirit free. She gave up being royalty for 8 seconds in the rain. Now she's riding with the cowboys, and she wouldn't change a thing. They can keep their rhinestone tiaras, she just wants those silver spurs. 'Cause the queen of the rain found what she's living for. Her mama nearly fainted when she signed up that first night. But them old boys at the arena saw the fire in her eyes. They said, honey, you're still pretty, but that bull don't care at all. She just smiled and said, watch closely, 'cause I ain't afraid to fall. She gave up being royalty for 8 seconds in the rain. Now she's riding with the cowboy, and she wouldn't change a thing. They can keep their rhinestone tiaras, she just wants those silver spurs. 'Cause the queen of the rain found what she's living for. That gate flew open, the crowd held their breath. 8 seconds later, they all knew what comes next. She gave up being cowboys, and she wouldn't change a thing. They can't keep their rhinestone tiaras. She just wants those silver spurs, 'cause the queen of the ring found what she's living for. 6 generations carved into this soil, beneath the fence posts under morning sun. My grandfather's boots left prints that never faded in the same red dirt where my stories spun. When the offers came in thick as thunderclouds, with their briefcases and silk-tied promises, I stood my ground beside the rusty gate post, where every ancestor before me did resist. My blood runs deeper than their dollar signs. Can't put a price on sacred ground. These calloused hands hold centuries of pride, and I won't back down. No, I won't back down. They point the progress on their shiny screens, while dust storms dance across my weathered land. Say there ain't no room for stubborn holdouts, but they don't know the strength of where I stand. Each morning brings another battle line drawn. Their bulldozers park like vultures on the hill, but this old ranch has weathered harder seasons, and my resolve is stronger than their will. My blood runs deeper than their dollar signs. Can't put a price on sacred ground. These calloused hands hold centuries of pride, and I won't back down. No, I won't back down. Let them bring their papers, let them make their threats. This earth beneath my boots is all I've got left, and I'll defend it. Every star at night tells ancient stories of the men who fought to keep this land their own. Now I'm the one who guards these blessed acres, where Texas wind turns warriors into stone. The sun sets red on barbed wire boundaries as trucks retreat into the fading light. My grandfather's voice whispers in the live oaks, stand your ground, son, this is worth the fight. My blood runs deeper than their dollar signs. Can't put a price on sacred ground. These calloused hands hold centuries of pride, and I won't back down. No, I won't back down. And I won't back down. Standing in these dusty fields at sunrise, watching clouds just pass us right on by. Third generation on this Texas soil, but nature's got me wondering why. The cattle's ribs are showing through their hides now, feed bills stacking up day after day. Mama's Bible sits open on the table as we bow our heads and pray. Ain't had rain since Easter Sunday. Lord knows we could use it now. Every morning brings another dry day, but I ain't learned to give up yet somehow. Oh, somehow. Sold half the herd off last Wednesday morning. Watching them load up broke my heart. My daddy built this place from nothing. Now it's falling all apart. The banker called again this morning. Says I ought to cut my losses clean, but these roots run deeper than my pocket, and that's something money can't redeem. Ain't had rain since Easter Sunday. Lord knows we could use it now. Every morning brings another dry day, but I ain't learned to give up yet somehow. Oh, somehow. Daddy weathered the Dust Bowl days, and Daddy made it through 85. Got his strength running through these veins. Long as I'm breathing, this ranch stays alive. Sometimes faith is all that's left here when the work's been done and done again. Just like Daddy always told me, after drought comes the blessed rain. Ain't had rain since Easter Sunday. Lord knows we could use it now. Every morning brings another dry day, but I ain't learned to give up yet somehow. Oh, somehow. Been wiping down this counter for 15 years, knowing every story, every smile, every tear. That old stool by the corner's gonna feel so strange when someone new sits there and everything's changed. Last call's gonna hurt tonight, hurt tonight. These empty bottles tell the tale. Last call's gonna hurt tonight, tonight. Some goodbyes just never fail. Every Friday night, same order, same time. 7:30 shot, bourbon straight line. Now the moving boxes wait outside that door, and the glass I'm pouring needs a little more. Last call's gonna hurt tonight, hurt tonight. These empty bottles tell the tale. Last call's gonna hurt tonight, tonight. some goodbyes just never fade. The jukebox plays that old familiar song, while the regulars all sing along. But something in the air just ain't the same. When tomorrow comes, we'll learn to change. My last call's gonna hurt tonight, hurt tonight. These empty bottles tell the tale. Last call's gonna hurt tonight, tonight, tonight. Some goodbyes just never fail. Black sky above, miles from love, working late, can't wait. Bright flames dance, one more chance to make it right through the night. Breaking my back down this path, far from your arms, doing harm. Burning, burning all night long. Burning, burning till the dawn. Burning, burning in my chest. Burning, burning, can't find rest. Burning for you. Empty bed, words unsaid, stars so bright, hold me tight. Paycheck calls, four steel walls, time moves slow. Let me go, breaking my back down this path, far from your arms, doing harm. Burning, burning all night long. Burning, burning till the dawn. Burning, burning in my chest. Burning, burning, can't find rest. Burning for you. Between the poles of duty and desire, walking wire by wire, counting tire. Baby, I'm about to break. Burning, burning all night long, getting stronger. Burning, burning till the dawn, getting closer. Burning, burning in my chest, getting harder. Burning, burning, can't find rest. Burning for you. Burning for you. Burning for you. I spot him cross the auction barn, his boots all dusty, face looks worn. 10 years of bad blood between us two, over land that neither one could lose. Daddy always said that Jackson pride would be the thing that turned the tide. Now here we stand at number 9, while the auctioneer calls out his line. He's been holding out since '89, when he tried to take what should have been mine. But looking at him standing there, I see the same weight that I bear. Pride won't feed the cattle when the rain don't fall. These days we're both just hanging on song. The numbers flash up on the board, prices lower than we can afford. He catches my eye, tips his hat, first time he's done a thing like that. I watch him check his empty hand, same way I did, same where I stand. His grandson sitting on his knee, looking just like mine used to be. Before he left for Tennessee, said farming ain't what he would be. Sometimes the truth hits mighty hard when you're watching them tear down your yard. Pride won't feed the cattle when the rain don't fall. These days we're both just hanging on, that's all. Ain't it funny how time slips away, and what seemed worth fighting for yesterday becomes as worthless as a copper cent when you're both down to your last fence. After bidding by his truck, we share coffee, talk about luck, about how times have changed so fast, how nothing good was built to last. He shows me pictures of his land, I show him mine. We understand that maybe we ain't enemies, just two old fools trying to seize a way of life that's fading slow, like evening sun on Mexico. And maybe that's worth more than pride, having someone on your side. Pride won't feed the cattle when the rain don't fall. These days we're both just hanging on, that's all. Y'all come down here telling us what to do with your fancy cars and your big city rules. Got your opinions about the way we live, well, I got some truth that I gotta give. Raised up rough on rusted dirt, two-stepping since before it hurt. And if you don't like how we roll, well, honey, that's the way it goes. Hell yeah, we're different, damn right we are. Hell yeah, we're different, like a Texas star, like a Texas star. Hell yeah, we're different, and that's how we'll stay. If you can't handle it, just walk away. Different. Hell yeah, we're different, that's right. Beer ain't fancy in a mason jar, $2 dance at the local bar. Got mud on my boots and grease on my hands, that's just the way we run in this land. Your stuck-up friends all look the same, around here different ain't a shame. Don't need your approval or your style, been this way for a damn long while. Yeah, we're different, damn right we are. Hell yeah, we're different, like a Texas star, like a Texas star. Hell yeah, we're different, and that's how we'll stay. If you can't handle it, just walk away. You can judge us all you want, but we ain't gonna change. Got that Lone Star spirit running through our veins. damn right we are. Hell yeah, we're different, like a Texas star. Like a Texas star. Hell yeah, we're different, and that's how we'll stay. If you can't handle it, just walk away. Hell yeah, we're different. Hell yeah, damn right we are. Hell yeah, we're different, like a Texas star. Like a Texas star. Hell yeah, we're different, and that's how we'll stay. If you can't handle it, just walk away. Hell yeah, we're different. That's right, y'all. Yeah. AM diesel engines roar, hard hat and steel toes hit the floor. Another 12 hours on the way, while your side of the bed stays cold today. Radio crackles through morning haze, same old country station plays. My coffee's black, just like the crew that pays these bills, keeps me from you. Digging deeper every day, further down, further away, chasing something in the ground, while everything I need's in town. Breaking rock and breaking hearts, 6 months on, we're worlds apart. Maybe I'm just trying to strike it rich, but striking out with every pitch. Roughnecks call me by my name, every face out here's the same. Got grease-stained letters in my truck from when you used to wish me luck. The foreman's yelling through the noise, keep it moving, boys. My hands are cracked and callous now, missing yours somehow. Remember dancing at Josie's bar, back when love felt less far. Your mama never liked my job, said to steal her daughter's heart. Well, mama knew. The sun sets on Derrick Steel, another day I can't feel. Well, my boots drag across this land, while you're slipping through my hands. Called home, but you didn't pick up. Guess that's how these things end up. Working hard to make it right, lost you in the West Texas night. Digging deeper every day, further down, further away, chasing something in the ground, while everything I need's in town. Breaking rock and breaking hearts, 6 months on, we're worlds apart. Baby, I'm just trying to strike it rich, but striking out with every pitch. Morning crews roll in, and I'm still here wondering when I traded holding you at night for holding on tonight. For holding on tonight.
Standing still beneath this sky so wide, while the kettle softly stir inside. My boots break frost on brittle ground, and somewhere far coyotes cried. I send my words up high tonight. though you're too far to hear them fly. These stars know all my secrets now, and every prayer I've whispered loud.
Spotted heifer needs attention here. Her firstborn calf is coming near. My callous hands have seen this dance through countless nights, year after year. But tonight feels different somehow, like even time slows down to bow. Remember when we'd count the constellations, said we'd name them all our own. Now I'm counting cattle conversations on this 1,000 acres all alone. Silver spurs catch starlight's gleam, while horses doze and young calves dream. The morning's coming sure and slow, like some sweet familiar scene. But something's missing that I know, since you packed up and had to go. These stars know all my secrets now, and every prayer I've whispered loud. So I'll keep my midnight vigil here, where cricket songs replace my tears. The work won't stop, the dawn won't wait. These moments slip through passing years. But somewhere neath this Texas sky, you might be watching stars like God. These stars know all my secrets now, and every prayer I whisper loud.
I used to laugh at old man Jones, drinking himself sick in here alone. Now I'm staring at my fifth tonight. Lord, it just ain't sitting right. Ain't sitting right. This bar light hits me hard and true, shows me things I wish weren't true. Oh, shows me. Every line upon my face tells a story of my ways. My ways. Yeah, this bar light's burning through, showing me what Daddy used to do. 12-hour shifts in the oil field dirt, same old boots, same old hurt. Promised Mama I'd do better things. Now look what every evening brings. Every evening brings. This bar light hits me hard and true, shows me things I wish weren't true. Shows me. Every line upon my face tells the story of my ways. Yeah, this bar light's burning through, showing me what Daddy used to do. Man, I swore I'd never be, staring right back at me, right back at me. Maybe it ain't too late to change, to break free from these rusty chains. 'Cause every time I hit this stool, I see myself playing Daddy's fool. Lord, I'm playing daddy's fool. But this bar life hits me hard and true, shows me things I wish weren't true. Shows me. Every line upon my face tells a story of my ways. My ways. Yeah, this bar light's burning through, showing me what daddy used to do. What daddy used to do. Another 12-hour shift in the Texas heat, calloused hand jams and mud-caked feet. Been chasing black gold for 9 months straight, while my family's memories just can't wait. The foreman says we're getting close to that sweet spot down below, but every foot we drill down deep, this time with them I'll never keep. Pumping oil from burning ground, while my heart's running dry back in our hometown. Trading precious moments for a promise of more. Ain't sure what I'm drilling for anymore. Missed my boy's first baseball game, called to hear him speak my name. His voice through static on the line says, "Daddy, when you come in time." Your mother sends me pictures now of moments I ain't figured out, how to balance what I do with all the time I'm missing you. Pumping oil from burning ground, while my heart's running dry back in our hometown. Trading precious moments for a promise of some more. Ain't sure what I'm drilling for anymore. Your voices echo in my head. Making money ain't worth making do without the daily side of you. Tomorrow I'm packing up my gear. The foreman's gonna have to hear that fortune's fine, but family's fate is something that just can't wait. 'Cause striking oil won't strike it rich if I lose the ones I miss. So I'm trading in my roughneck ways for Little League on Saturdays. Done pumping oil from Permian ground, my heart's heading home to our hometown. Don't need promises of something more when I know just what I'm living for. Walking into Miller's bar on Friday, same old neon beer signs on display. Nearly dropped my glass when I saw him sitting right there where we had our last fight that day. 10 years since we both raised our fists up over something neither one recalls. He caught my eye and raised his bottle slow, and I knew it was time to end it all. Time makes strangers out of enemies. Years wash away what used to be. There ain't no point in holding on to hate when time makes strangers out of enemies. Pulled up a stool, he thought the next round talk came slow at first, then memories flow about the high school games we played together before that girl tore our friendship road. Said he married Jane from Austin, got 3 kids and a good job now. Showed me pictures on his beaten up phone of the life that changed him somehow. Time makes strangers out of enemies. Years wash away what used to be. Ain't no point in holding on to hate. Make strangers out of enemies. Sometimes the hardest words to say are I forgot why I was mad. 2 stubborn fools who lost their way finally found the good we had. Last call rang out through the bar. We exchanged numbers, shook hands goodbye. Walked out different men than we walked in under that big Texas sky. Sometimes forgiveness finds you when you least expect it might. 2 old enemies turn strangers, turn friends again tonight. Time makes strangers out of enemies. Years wash away what used to be. Ain't no point in holding on to hate when strangers out of enemies. And time makes strangers. Time makes strangers. Time makes strangers out of enemies. Hill country sky turning mean, heavy air can barely breathe. Been fighting all afternoon like the thunder coming soon. Standing here on the porch with you, watching clouds build dark and blue. Both of us too proud to speak as the wind starts getting mean. Can we weather this storm? Can we hold on till morning comes? Can we weather this storm? Or are we too far gone? The lightning flashing far away, your temper doing just the same. 2 stubborn hearts of stone, each thinking we're alone. Remember dancing in the rain back when love wasn't such a strain. Now we're just standing here watching storm clouds appear. Can we weather this storm? Can we hold on till morning comes? Can we weather this storm? Or are we too far gone? These Texas skies can change so fast, from clear blue to black as ash. Baby, what's it gonna take before our hearts just break? First drops falling on the ground, neither one made making a sound. Your hand reaches out to mine as the rain starts falling down. Maybe there's still hope somehow in this storm we're going through, 'cause I ain't ready to let go, and I don't think you are too. Can you weather this storm? Can we hold on till morning comes? Can we weather this storm? Baby, I think we can. Are we too far gone? I've carried this weight for 15 years, built walls so high, kept my distance clear. Same small town, different sides of the street. Thought I knew exactly who you had to be, till this morning when the coffee was strong. And there you were where I didn't belong. Funny how coffee shop can change a man's mind, when the truth hits different in the morning light. All these years of holding on so tight just fade away. Yeah, they fade away. But I finally see what I couldn't find. What I couldn't find. You're just trying to make it through each day. Got pictures of your grandkids on display. That trimmer in your hand while you pay makes me wonder about the price of yesterday. Now I'm seeing all the time we lost to a battle that ain't worth the cost. Funny how coffee shop can change a man's mind, when the truth hits different in the morning light. All these years of holding on so tight just fade away. Yeah, they fade away. And I finally see what I couldn't find. What I couldn't find. Sometimes the hardest part of letting go is admitting that you just don't know what you're fighting for anymore, when peace is knocking at your door. Funny how a coffee shop can change a man's mind, when the truth hits different in the morning light. All these years of holding on so tight just fade away. Yeah, they fade away. And I finally see what I couldn't find. What I couldn't find. Let it fade away. Let the morning show away. Like steam rising from a coffee cup, it's time to let it all go up. Paint on my face again, another Friday night. Buckles and boots and dust make them all feel alright. Still they don't know what's behind this smile. Divorce papers in my truck, been there a while. Ain't nothing funny about these tears when the makeup runs down. at tonight. Crowds holding their breath. I dance with danger, yeah. Cheat a little deaf. Empty bottle at home. Pictures face down. Same old routine now. Same old damn crown. Ain't nothing funny about these tears when the makeup runs down. Ain't nothing funny anymore, just another damn fool in this town. Used to think I was brave, now I'm just scared to face the truth. Behind all these cheap laughs, there's a man coming unglued. Goddamn, I'm coming unglued. Arena lights burn bright, my world falls apart. Playing the Joker role with a breaking heart. They're all screaming my name, don't know who I am. Just a painted up face in this goddamn sand. There ain't nothing funny about these tears when the makeup runs down. Ain't nothing funny anymore, just another damn fool in this town. Just another damn fool. Just another damn fool in this town. Red vinyl seats, got a tear on the side. Been here since midnight, barely keeping my eyes. 6 cups of coffee just to make it till 5, while the radio plays some old Willie Divine. Those truckers roll in with their stories to tell, but my mind's somewhere past that interstate smell. Just one more table, one more check to bring, while my guitar at home's collecting dust on its strings. Pouring coffee in a cracked porcelain cup, holding on to dreams that just won't give up. Bobby's been coming here 20-odd years. Says my voice reminds him of Crystal and tears. He drops quarters in that old jukebox machine, tells me, darling, you should be on CMT. My apron's got stains from a 12-hour shift, but beneath these worn shoes there's a song I can't miss. The regulars know every word that I hum as I dance between tables when the morning won't come. Pouring coffee in a cracked porcelain cup, holding on to dreams that just won't give up. There's a stage in Austin that's calling my name, but these bills keep piling, keeping me in this game. The tips barely cover my rent down the road, but every dollar saved is one step toward that goal. Some nights I practice right here by the Seine. When the last truck pulls out, it gives me time to think. Maybe tomorrow I'll find my big break. Till then I'll keep serving till my heart don't ache. Pouring coffee in a cracked porcelain cup, holding on to dreams that just won't give up. Holding on to dreams that just won't give up. Down every highway I could find. Thought I needed more than this small town life behind. But all that running fast left me running on empty at last. Finally found my slow downtown, where time ain't racing, just floating around. Cold beer and friends at Wilson's Place, living life at a Texas pace. Oh, at a Texas pace. Friday night dance home, scuffed boots on hardwood floors. Local band playing loud while couples spin and sold. Found what I was seeking right here where I started looking. Finally found my slow downtown, where time ain't racing, just floating around. Cold beer and friends at Wilson's Place, living life at a Texas pace. Oh, at a Texas pace. Tried Dallas, tried Austin, tried Houston's endless roads, but peace was waiting patient right here at County Road. La la la, down home, la la la, I've grown. I've gone. Small town gossip flows like coffee at the diners. Morning sun hits fields, morning sun being fine. Got all I need right here, living life in second gear. Finally found my slow down time, where time ain't racing, just floating around. Cold beer and friends at Wilson's Place, living life at a Texas pace. Living life at a Texas pace. Remember that old fence line we mended in July? Dad showed us how to stretch the wire, taught us not to cry. When barbs would catch our fingers, said that's the rancher's way. But now your hands are soft as silk from pushing papers all day. Your boots might be shined, but your soul's getting dusty. That corner office view can't beat Texas sky. Those deals your clothes and won't be your spirit. Your boots might be shine, but your soul's getting dusty. That big promotion made the local paper back in May. Mama cut it out and hung it up. She's proud, that's okay. But I see those empty stalls where your horses used to stand, and wonder if you miss the feel of reins held in your hand. Last night I found your old blue ribbon from '89, when your heifer took the prize, man, you were flying high. Now you're chasing different prizes, climbing different hills, trading cattle calls for conference calls and monthly billing bills. Your boots might be shine, but your soul's getting dusty. That corner office view can't beat Texas sky. Those deals you're closing won't feed your spirit. Your boots might be shine, but your soul's getting dusty. The ranch ain't going nowhere, the gate's still open wide. Your room's just like you left it. Come on home and ride. Oh, your boots might be shine, but your soul's getting dusty. That corner office view can't beat Texas sky. Your snow globe feeds your sin, won't spirit. Your boots might be shine, come back close, getting dusty. Stained hands and faded signs, been here since 1949. My daddy's tools still line these walls, and every engine still calls. They came in suits with paper stacks, said times are changing, can't look back. But they don't know what runs through my veins. Oil and pride can't wash away, for sale at any price, built on sweat and sacrifice. This old heart still beats just fine, ain't for sale at any price. But her numbers bone eat bone growing high, but some things money just can't buy, like Mrs. Johnson's weekly tune-ups and Tommy's first truck fixed up. They say I'm full to turn it down, last shop standing in this town. But every bolt and every wrench tell stories that won't end. Ain't fair to sell at any price, built on sweat and sacrifice. This old heart still beats just fine, ain't for sale at any price. Three generations of midnight old, calloused hands and honest toil. La la la, work all day. La la la, gonna stay. Some things run deeper than money, some things you just can't name. Each morning when I turn that key, I know right where I'm meant to be. And every car that rolls on through brings memories old and new. Ain't for sale at any price, built on sweat and sacrifice. This old heart still beats just fine. Still beats. Ain't for sale at any price. Ain't for sale, I used to mock these dusty roads, thought I was better than this place. Trading my boots for high heel shoes, left you standing here with grace. But Daddy, when you called last week, said the bank was closing in. And now I'm back where I belong, ready to begin. These boots you left behind, they fit just right. Yeah. Turns out I'm more like you than I realized. The ranch ain't fancy living, but it sure feels like home tonight. These boots you left behind, they fit just right. My corner office gathered dust while something pulled me back this way. Those spreadsheets couldn't teach me half of what you showed me every day. The cattle need their feeding time, the fences need repair. Funny how these calloused hands feel like answered prayer. These boots you left behind, they fit just right. Yeah. Turns out I'm more like you than I realized. The ranch ain't fancy living, but it sure feels like home tonight. These boots you left behind, they fit just right. Remember how you told me, girl, you gotta find your way. Well, I found it in the last place that I thought to look today. Corporate ladder couldn't get me half as high as standing on this Texas dirt beneath this open sky. Traded in my power suits, ain't that a sight? Now I'm running things my way, keeping legacy alive. Every morning sun reminds me why I'm here. Every hoofbeat on the ground rings loud and clear. Daddy, you were right all along, I finally see that this ain't just any piece of land, it's who I'm meant to be. These boots you left behind, they fit just right. Yeah. Turns out I'm more like you than I realized. Oh. The ranch ain't fancy living, but it sure feels like home tonight. These boots you left behind, they fit just right. Oh, they fit just right. Clock strikes 6, another day begins. Steel-toed boots and welding helmet on. Maria waves from her coffee stand. Her smile reaches clear across this land. Been working here 3 months or more. Same faces greet me, rich and poor. Some folks wave from either side, while others turn their heads and hide. sides. What I build with these two hands makes me wonder where I stand. Every spark that flies at night. Soccer ball rolls beneath my feet. Little boy calls out from down the street. His papa owns the hardware store where I buy supplies and something more. We talk about his baseball team while his mother serves me beans with cream. Then I climb back in my truck with questions weighing like a ton. Every spark that flies at night lights up both sides. What I build with these two hands makes me wonder where I stand. Every spark that flies at night. They say it's just another job, but every weld and every rod draws a line across my heart. Tear these people worlds apart. Found a picture in the sand of a family held hand in hand. Picked it up and let it lay on Maria's counter the next day. Just who it belonged to, did what good neighbors always do. Now I'm staring at these plans with this torch here in my hands. Every spark that flies at night lights up both sides. What I build with these two hands makes me wonder where I stand. Every spark that flies at night. Every Friday night at Murphy's Place, I chalk up slow and watch the faces. Got my own spot by the back wall sign where strangers share what's on their mind. Some folks talk about their broken hearts while others brag about brand new starts. I take my shots with careful aim to keep the conversation plain. And when they think they've got me beat, their stories flow so bittersweet, like welcome rain on Texas soil. These moments make it worth my while. Some nights I miss more than 8 Ball just to hear what people say, while the jukebox plays George Strait till the sun burns night away. 'Cause winning ain't worth half as much as hearing someone's truth. So I'll keep missing simple shots to catch these precious fews. Got a banker talking about his dad, the best friend that he never had, a waitress with a screenplay dream, working doubles on her team. The stories roll across the felt like prayers that never have been dealt. A nod along and scratch again, making space for them to win. Sometimes I wonder late at night if I'm the only one who sees the light in all these hearts that wander in, looking for a place to begin. 'Cause every soul that walks this floor has something worth listening for. Tonight a trucker shared his road of 30 years of heavy loads. He smiled and sang the winning shot, not knowing what his words had brought. The bartender just shakes his head, wondering why I can't get ahead. But I found treasure in this game that money just can't frame. Some nights I miss more than 8 ball just to hear what people say, while the jukebox plays George Strait till the sun burns night away. 'Cause winning ain't worth half as much as hearing someone's truth. Winning, missing simple shots to catch these precious few. So I'll keep missing simple shots to catch these precious few. Small town Sunday, folks lined up clean, prize ribbons waving. Then came the scene, Champion's trailer, door swung wide. Some things ain't meant for a parade, can't tame the spirit that wants to break. Boats scattered fast down Main Street way. Some things just mean to run away. Miss Betty's flowers all trampled down, sheriff just watching with a worried frown. Kids all laughing, pure delight. Some things ain't meant to a parade. Some things ain't meant for a parade. Can't tame a spirit that wants to break. Folks scattered fast down Main Street way. Some things just need to run away. Freedom calls loud, can't hold it back. Nature knows best which path to track. Sun's now setting, tale's been told. Some say he's running still tonight, free and wild where he belongs. Some things ain't meant for a parade, can't tame a spirit that wants to break. Folks scattered fast down Main Street way. Some things just need to run away. Standing in line at midnight, looking lost at the menu board. Just a plain burger, please, you said with your out-of-state drawl. The local girl behind me laughed, tapped my shoulder, shook her head. Sugar, let me show you how we do things in Texas instead. Honey, that ain't how we order here. Let me teach you about them jalapenos, dear. Number 5 all the way, extra spicy, that's what we say. You can't rush perfection at 2 a.m. Let me show you how to do it right again. No onions, light on sauce, she just rolled those brown eyes. said, trust me on this one, you're gonna want a Texas size. Her smile lit up that drive-thru as she fixed my rookie weight ways. Now every weekend finds me here just hoping she's working late. Honey, that ain't how we order here. Let me teach you about them jalapenos, dear. Number 5 all the way. Extra spicy, that's what we say. You can't rush perfection at 2 a.m. Let me show you how to do it right again. She's teaching me more than menu items now. Two-stepping lessons after closing down. Every night I thank my lucky stars for messing up with that Whataburger counter. 6 months of late night lessons, now I'm speaking fluent Texas style. Got my order memorized, but I still let her lead the line. 'Cause some things are worth learning slow, and some teachers you can't replace. Every y'all and fixin' to makes me fall more for that face. Now I know just how we order here. Dancing through the drive-thru, holding her near. Number 5 all the way, extra spicy every day. Found love at 2 a.m. and I'll do it right again and again.